Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide HUD in Forza Horizon 6. Doing this is pretty easy. First open the pause menu, after that go to settings under campaign and then go over HUD and gameplay. Then scroll down here and you will find option of notifications. So if you want to turn off notifications then just set it to off. Then all the notifications such as XP, rivals, road discovery, all of them will be turned off. Then we have online event notifications, you can turn it off as well. So go through all of these options and turn off the ones you don't want to have. And then once you scroll down here, then you will reach HUD category. Under it we have head-to-head request. If you want to turn it off, then just select off option like this. If you want to turn off the map, then you can turn it off as well. Then now if I want to turn off the speedometer, then I'll find speedometer option here and then set it to off as well. Then the speedometer will be disabled as well. Now if I again scroll down, then I'll find what's next option. If I turn it off as well, then I'll be able to disable what next prompts when returning from events. So this is the way. Once you've done everything, then just press menu button on Xbox, options on PlayStation or spacebar on your keyboard to save the changes. Now you can just go back from here and return to the game. Then you will see all of the HUD options are now hidden. But if you go to your home or any of the event screen, then the text will be shown here because they can't be turned off. Like you can see, my house overlay has been shown on the screen. These can't be turned off. So this is the process. Hope this clear things up. If it did, leave a like and subscribe.